Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the middle seat and the captain's chair in the second row of the all-new 2022 Kia Carnival. I have in front of me here an LX Plus 3.5 liter in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to pull this one lever here on the side that will do the seat back. So as soon as I lift it up, that's letting the seat back down. And next, there is a bar right under the back of the seat, just under the symbol here, just kind of indicating where it is. So as soon as you lift that bar, that releases the seat itself to lift up. And now you can lift it right out the side. And now with the other seat out, we're going to do the middle. So we're going to start with pulling the strap on the right-hand side to let the seat back down. Then there is a strap at the back and the bottom here. We pull the strap, seat gets tilted forward, it's now released, and now it can be pulled out. Now when we go to put the seat back in, we're going to make sure there's these little white kind of tracks here. So we're going to make sure that the hooks are going into those tracks so that when you put the seat back down, it's going to snap right into place, and now it's not going anywhere. It's very similar to put back in the other seat. We're going to make sure that the hooks are lined up in the tracks here. And once they're lined up, then we can set it back. Now when you go to put the outer seats down, just like on the other one, you can see a green dot. That is letting you know that everything is lined up and the seat's installed correctly. So when I go to put this seat down, we want to make sure that the green dot is visible. So in this case, I put the seat back correctly and now it's in place and not going anywhere. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.